Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for your health: how to accurately check your blood pressure right at home. Knowing your numbers is a key step in managing your well-being, but doing it correctly is crucial. So, let's dive into how you can get reliable readings every single time. First things first, you need the right tool for the job. I recommend getting a good quality home blood pressure monitor with an inflatable upper arm cuff. Brands like Omron are generally known for their accuracy. A quick word of caution: those wristwatch-style devices, they're often not as reliable, so it's best to stick with an arm cuff model. Now, size matters a lot. The cuff needs to fit your arm properly. If the cuff is too small, it can artificially inflate your reading, making your blood pressure seem higher than it actually is. Most devices come with a guide to help you measure your arm and choose the correct cuff size, so be sure to check that when you're ready to take a measurement. Don't just do it once on one arm. For the most accurate picture, measure your blood pressure on both arms. You might notice a slight difference between them, which is normal. The rule of thumb is to take the higher of the two readings as your official number. Repeat the process a couple of times with a minute or two in between to ensure consistency. Timing is also key. The best times to check are twice a day. First, in the morning after you emptied your bladder, but before you had breakfast or taken any medications. Then, check it again in the evening, maybe a little while after dinner. This routine gives you a good baseline of what your blood pressure looks like throughout the day. There are also things you need to avoid right before you measure. Don't check your blood pressure within 30 minutes of exercising, smoking, or having any caffeine or alcohol. All of these can temporarily spike your blood pressure and give you a misleadingly high reading. So, give your body some time to rest and return to its normal state. Finally, let's talk about your posture. How you sit makes a huge difference. Find a quiet, comfortable spot. Sit in a chair with your back straight and supported. Your feet should be flat on the floor, and your legs shouldn't be crossed. Rest your arm on a table or armrest so that the cuff is at the same level as your heart. This position helps ensure that your reading is as accurate as possible. Don't talk or move around while the machine is working. Just relax and breathe normally. By following these simple steps, you can confidently monitor your blood pressure at home. Keeping a log of your readings can be incredibly helpful for you and your doctor to track your health over time. If you ever see consistently high readings or have any concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and help you create a plan to stay healthy. I hope this was helpful. Taking control of your health starts with having the right information. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.